Good morning, year two. It's Friday, the 8th of January, and it is snowing out there today. I was expecting to wake up and it be snow everywhere, but there wasn't any. And then I was like, oh, is it going to come? Because I know that somebody in our classroom yesterday said, oh, I'm going to bring a carrot tomorrow to build a snowman. But I thought, oh, she's not going to be able to, but maybe today you can look. If it's not snowing where you are, I'm going to have a look now and see if you can see outside my window at home. Don't know if you can see it, but there seems to be lots of snow out there today, which is very, very exciting, isn't it? So I'm just going to talk you through, because I'm at home today and Mrs. Bayfield is in the classroom with the children that we've got in school today, and obviously we've got our children at home as well. So I'm just going to show you what I'd like you to do today. In your work packs, you all have these different sheets, which are our high frequency words. Okay, so you've all got these in your packs, and I just thought I'd tell you some little one idea maybe that I've got what you could do with them. Okay, so as you can see, the red ones start off at the easy ones. This sheet here that I've got here is all the words you needed to learn to read and spell by the end of year one. But obviously we weren't at school for all of year one, were we? So it would take us longer to be able to read and spell these ones, okay? So you could choose, for the first one, you could maybe choose the red ones, because if you can see, they get a little bit harder in each section. Each colour gets a little bit harder. So the ones for year two, the next ones, they start red, yellow, green, blue, and purple again. Okay, so what you could do is you could first decide, oh, I'm going to cut these all up really neatly. Cut them all up. That could be your first job of I only do one colour at a time, I'd suggest first for this game, okay? Cut them up and make sure you've got somewhere safe to keep them when they're cut up. So you could just put them in a cup, if you've got a cup, or a plastic wallet if you've got one of them, anything you've got. So cut them up. So if you're in school today and you have cut them up, I would suggest that you ask Mrs. Bayfield or somebody in the classroom to get a plastic wallet to keep them in once you've cut them up, and then keep them in your trays in the classroom, okay? So yeah, cut them up, and then you could spread them all out. And can you remember that game that we've got the splatters? We've got that game, don't we, in the classroom? So what you could do at home, or if you're in school, because some of those splatters broke, didn't they, is maybe get a spoon that you've got in your kitchen drawer, or some kind of utensil, something that you could use to splat them with, lay them on the floor, and you could turn them upside down so you can't see them. You could splat it, turn it round, and read the word, and then spell the word. You could also do the game where you lay them all flat but have them faced up, but you'd need a few people to play this game. So perhaps if you're playing it at home on your own, your grown-up could say, can you find the word did? And you've got to splat it really quickly, and your grown-up could time how quickly you find that word and splat it. Yeah. Then what you could do, when you found a few of the words, so say maybe at first I'd maybe find like three words. You could then see if you could write three sentences with those three words, couldn't you? You could even try challenge yourself further and see if those three words would fit into just one sentence. So let's have a go. Let's have a look. So let's pretend we have splatted the word I, dad, and man. I can't include the word I don't think, in my sentence. Well, you could have I am a dad. Oh yeah, I am a dad and I am a man. That's one sentence that I've done there. Or you could have my dad is a man, but we've only included the word dad and man there, haven't we? Let's think of another word. I don't think I can do any more, but it might be easier to fit more words in a sentence if you next challenge yourself and maybe splat 5 words and practice spelling them first, practice reading them loads first, then putting them into sentences. Just make the game really fun. And I'm going to share with you some different games that we could do with this as well next week. And we're going to have a look at some more. Okay, so I just choose one of these sections here that you can do. Yeah, one at a time. Don't do too many. You could do one maybe today, one on Monday as just an extra challenge in an afternoon. If you've got something to do, you could also just do them where you challenge yourself, couldn't you? You could turn them over one at a time to read them. It's just a good way of practicing our high frequency words that we need to learn. It is Nora. Sorry, Nora's just come into my bedroom now while I'm doing this recording. I'm just doing a video, Nora, for my classroom. Yeah, come here. You can see, but you can't see them. You could say hello though. Do you want to say hello? You just say hello. Can you see yourself, Nora? Say hello.
Hi.
Do you want to tell them what your name is? What's your name? Nora. How old are you, Nora? She's 4. So she doesn't do phonics reading yet, do you, Nora? No. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. The children at my school are in their classroom today, or some of them are at home like we are. Yeah? Yeah? That's fun, isn't it? Yeah? Do you want to go see? I'm going to turn this video off now, okay? I'm going to say bye to my classroom, okay?
Okay.
Yeah? Okay, everybody. So, I will see you all on the videos next week as well, okay? Yeah? Have a lovely day, and if it gets really snowy, I'd like you to get outside and build in some snowmen if you can. That would be amazing, wouldn't it? I think we should go out and build a snowman later. Yeah?
Peggy.
We could take Peggy with us, couldn't we? Yeah?
And then she would knock it over.
She might knock it over, yeah?
And she might want it to go in the snowman.
She might, yeah?
We might want to build a doggy snowman.
We might, yeah. Let me say bye to them. Right, bye everybody. Have a lovely day. See you later. You saying bye, Nora? Yeah, say bye. Where's bye? Oh, did you? Sorry. See you later, everybody. Bye.